Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how Tesla got its name. The name Tesla is a tribute to the Serbian-American inventor Nikola Tesla. He was a visionary electrical engineer and futurist who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current, AC, electricity supply system. This system is the basis of most of the electric machinery we use today, including the electric motors in Tesla's cars. The company was founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, and they named it Tesla Motors to honor Nikola Tesla's legacy. Elon Musk joined the company in 2004 as an early investor and became its CEO in 2008. The choice of the name was a nod to the inventor's groundbreaking work with electric power and motors, which perfectly aligned with the company's mission to create high-performance, battery electric vehicles. In a way, the company is carrying on Nikola Tesla's vision of a world powered by electricity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.